to Europe on Wednesday and I was freaking out because my luggage is so overweight. So I messaged the team at Zuii Organic to help a sister out. So literally they said we can give you all your makeup and all your travel needs in this size, and I freaked out. Absolutely had a heart attack. Didn't think it was possible, so let's see. So today they've given me a few products to pretty much give me all my coverage, all my travel needs. So I'm gonna challenge them today to see if it actually works. So they've given me the foundation, the olive medium, which is kind of cool because it's a little pump press. Then how cool is this? So all my brushes, so this is what I usually use with all my brushes. Look what they've given me. This is brilliant. So the texture of this foundation is actually really like dewy. So they did mention to me that there's a lot of like moisturizing properties in this, which is really good because I'll be on like planes all the time, and I'm actually going into winter, so where it's going to be negative 5,000 degrees, which is going to be exciting. What else have they given me? So they've given me this, which can actually be used as a foundation as well. So the sandstone. So once again, see you later. I'm going to be using this little brush kit. Now this brush kit comes in like this size with all these brushes, and it fits flat like that. I found out about Zuii, so pretty much all my friends and like through like just the social network. So I was looking for a product because my skin is so dry. I actually have the dry skin in the world, and actually just through a colleague, and they mentioned it. So I messaged them, and then here I am. Basically gave them one call and they said, yeah girl, come in, let's like colour match you. Now, by no means whatsoever am I a vlogger, blogger, Instagram famous, amazing model person, as you can see. So if my technique's not perfect, please don't judge me. But look, I'm still a girl, I still try and do my best. Now, I do generally like to wear an eyeshadow, but like sometimes you mix it up, sometimes you want a smoky eye, sometimes you want a darker eye. So like I said, because I am traveling, so they said to me if I use this, I can use this as my bronzer, an eyeshadow. Now this is just a sun, the bronzer. So this is like the newest thing out there. Another, how cute are these brushes? These are insane. Fits in my little hands too. I think this is the quickest I've ever put my makeup on, to be honest. Usually I sit and fluff around a little bit, but it actually doesn't look any different. You know when you sit there and you spend hours and hours doing your makeup and you walk out and you look exactly the same? This is me right now. Which gives me more time to go see things like the Eiffel Tower. Don't be jealous, don't be jealous. Now this is the highlighter. I always overkill the highlighter way too much. People always tell me to back off, so use wisely. Eyebrows. Now I'm horrible at eyebrows. Usually one always ends up bigger than the other, or smaller than the other, or I connect them together. This, I've used this before. I don't know if you can see that, but see, it's not like a heavy liquid. It's kind of, I can't even explain, it's like kind of waxy. And so for someone like me who's not the most articulate makeup artist and perfectionist, it just kind of emphasizes them, fills them in a little bit, and I can just work with the natural shape of my eyebrows. So as you can see, just fills them in. Can you see this? So it's kind of, for someone like me, a foolproof system. I don't really need to brush them out and it just fills them in just that little bit. And that's it. Lifesaver, best thing, favourite thing. Eyebrows are life. Brows on fleek. Then, this is my favourite colour. So I generally like an everyday colour shade lipstick. So the one that they've given me today is Mandarin. So as you can see, that colour. So this is my favourite colour, only because it's not too pink and it just gives me, just works with the natural colour of the shade of my lips alone. Just emphasises that. Still really natural, but then I can use it for night makeup. And last but not least, I could literally sit for hours putting on mascara. I know you're probably not meant to, but I don't like to wear fake eyelashes. I'm not really like that. I just like to emphasize a nice natural eye. But if I do want to go out at night to then give it more volume, then I can just sit there and just layer it on. I don't think there's ever an attractive way to put mascara on. Rule of thumb, mouth open, look hideous. And that is basically it. So, what I'll do, it's not that bad if I do say so myself. So then all these brushes go in this little fun size. Try not to throw them around. Alright, brushes, done. Foundation, done. Foundation, powder, done. What do I use next? Bronzer, done. Highlighter, mascara, eyebrows, and lippy. And I'm ready for Europe. Thanks, Zuii.